Hey guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I am going to share with you two very simple and easy centerpiece ideas for fall. But I know you guys are here to find out who won the drawing. And so we will go ahead and get into the drawing, and then we'll come back and finish the centerpiece later. And the winner is Sally Swigert. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Congratulations, Sally. Now I will need you to contact me at the email address below with your mailing info. And thanks to everyone who participated. Okay guys, so basically all I did here was to stack several pumpkins on top of each other, and I placed a toothpick in the bottom just to make it stick in the top of each pumpkin. And then I added some Spanish moss, I added a few feathers, a small gourd, a tiny little pine cone, and some leaves, and that's basically it. And then I added the dome. Now I got this dome idea from Liz from, let's see, her channel is Traditions by the Seasons. I think that's her channel name. I'll put it in the description box below. But I got this idea from Liz, and if you're interested in seeing a different take on it, you can check her channel out. I told her I would try and duplicate it, but I would do it in my style, which is what I encourage you guys to do. If you see something that you like, it's totally fine to duplicate it, but make it your own style. And that's exactly what I did. So if you want to see how Liz did hers, just check out her channel. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a different one. Okay guys, so in this one, I just added several size pumpkins on a wood slab. And this was just an old piece of wood that we had in the garage that I just added some gray and brown paint to. And then just added the different pumpkins in different colors, and then added some darker leaves and some acorns. And then of course you guys know I need to have my shine, my mercury glass, and inside the mercury glass I added some darker, warmer toned candles just to give the mercury glass a nice warm glow. And I did the same for this one in the middle. Now you could use any type of candle holder here in the middle, whatever. You can use a lantern and place a pumpkin inside the lantern, but this is just my take on it. If you like this idea, just make it your own. And I'm gonna light the candle so you can see how pretty this looks lit up. And I think this is pretty. You can use on your dining room table or kitchen table. You can use this on your buffet or even on your kitchen island. Even a coffee table, I think that will look really pretty on. So let me show you what it looks like lit up. So guys, if you don't have a tray like this or a board of some sort, this will work in a tray or even a dough bowl. Okay guys, so I couldn't resist.